Withdrawing money from your Apple ID to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open the App Store. Launch the App Store app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on your profile picture or the account icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your Apple ID. Step 3. Check your balance. Scroll down to find your Apple ID balance. Ensure that you have enough funds available for withdrawal. Step 4. Link your bank account. If you haven't already, link your bank account to your Apple ID. Go to the payment and shipping settings and add your bank account details. Step 5. Initiate the withdrawal. Once your bank account is linked, look for the option to transfer funds or withdraw money. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction, ensuring you confirm the amount you wish to transfer. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Always check your bank account to confirm the transfer has been processed successfully.